To make the model, you need to add a cube, so Shift A, add a cube, and then scale this cube along the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Give the proper scale for the cube for the basic block out. After that, you need to go to the edit mode, and then you need to use the knife tool here. So just use the knife tool and create a slant cut like this. After that, turn on the X-ray mode, select these words and move them along the x-axis. After that, you need to select these edges and then scale them along the z-axis. Then you need to select the corner edge, so you can select with the X-ray mode and then apply the scale and then Ctrl B and then add a bevel at there. So add 2 segment bevel and give the proper bevel width. Then you need to add a cube, so Shift A, add a cube, and then rotate that cube into the 45-degree angle, and then you need to give the right position to this cube because it's a cutter object, and try to make it parallel to that slant cut. After giving the right position, select this edge and then Ctrl B and then add a bevel. Give the proper bevel width and add a 4 segment bevel. After that, select both objects and use the Boolean operation difference. Then turn on the X-ray mode, select this edge and then Ctrl B and then add a bevel. Add a 1 segment bevel at there. Then apply modifier, Boolean modifier, and then you need to add one more cube. So Shift A, add a cube, and this is also our cutter object, so just give the right position to this cube. Then you need to use the Boolean operation, which is difference. After that, you need to select these edges and then add a bevel on these edges. Give the proper bevel width, and then you need to select these words and press M and merge at the center. Then you need to select these face loops and Shift D to duplicate it. And one more time, Shift D to duplicate it and then rotate it into the 180-degree. Turn on your X-ray mode and then you need to select these words. And then press P for the selection. Now you will get this different object, so just select these edges and then press F to fill the gap. Then select the bottom and top faces and then press loops and then press F to fill the gap. Then set the origin to the geometry, and this is our another cutter object to create the boolean. So give it the right position and the right scale. So S, and then scale it along the z-axis little bit. And then go to the edit mode, select these words and move them along the x-axis. Then you need to add the center loop cut like this and then scale it down. Then select both object and use the Boolean operation difference. Just adjust the scale of that loop cut. Once you get satisfied, then you can apply the Boolean modifier and then delete that cutter object. Now you need to create the right topology here. Just move it a little bit back along the x-axis. Then select this word and then Shift G, amount of adjacent faces, so it will select the similar words, and then Ctrl X to dissolve them. Now you need to select these words, right click and then connect vertex path and create a right topology at there. So just select these words, right click and then connect to vertex path to create the path in between them. Then you can use the knife tool to create the loops on this model. So select the first point, select the second point, and then press enter to complete that operation. So select the first point, press Z to get that cut across the model, and then you need to add the loop cut like this, and then just complete this loop cut with the help of knife tool and create the right topology at there. Then select everything and then take the symmetry along the z-axis. So here you just need to select the faces. So just select the top face and then move it along the z-axis. So it won't be too close to each other. Okay. And then take the symmetry along the z-axis. Then select these words, right click and then connect vertex path. After that you can select these edge loops and then double tap G for the edge slide, or you can use the move tool. Then use the knife tool here and then create a cut like this. Then select these words and press M and merge at last or merge at the center, you can use anything. And now you need to create the loop structure around your booleans with the help of knife tool. So just create that loop structure here. For every boolean you should have that loop structure around that boolean. So you can see this kind of loop structure we will get. So add one loop cut like this and then select these words and then connect them with the knife tool. Then you need to select everything and then take the symmetry along the z-axis. After that just you need to match the words properly. So just move them and try to get the right shape at there. And then you can add the loop cuts like this around that boolean. Then select these faces and press I for the insert operation. Just to add one loop cut, one face loop structure from inside of that boolean. Then use the knife tool here and then create a cut like this. So select the first point, then press Z and then then select the second point and then press enter to complete that operation. And then you need to create the loop like this. So just use the knife tool here and create a loop like this. So you should have this kind of loop around your model from the top and from the bottom, which will support the form of the model. You are not getting the loop, that's why you need to select the first point and then press Z and then select the second point and then press enter to complete that operation. So you will get the loop. Then select the words, right click and then connect vertex path to create the part in between the words. And then you can add the loop like this and just need to connect this loop to that loop. You just select these words, right click and then connect vertex path. And then you can select everything and then take the symmetry along the z-axis. So here also you need to create the right topology, so that's why select the words and then connect them with the knife tool. Then you need to add 3 loop cuts here, so just add the loop cut and then connect them. Then here also you need to add the 3 loop cuts and then connect them. And then you can add the subd modifier and increase its level up to 2. Take the symmetry along the z-axis and then select these words, right click and then connect vertex path. Then you need to add the necessary loop cuts on the model, which will help us to maintain the form of the model when they will subdivide. So just add those loop cuts. Then here you can use the X-ray mode, select these words and use the edge slide, double tap G for that and just give the right position to the words. And then you need to add the loop cut like this. And then take the symmetry along the z-axis. So here you need to connect the words, you can see. So just select these words, right click and then connect vertex path. And then you can add the loop cuts like this. And just try to create the harder edges at there. Then select this edge loop and then Ctrl B and then add a bevel on this edge loop. And just add few loop cuts here. We are getting the right form here, just scale it down along the z-axis. And now just you need to add necessary loop cuts. So add few loop cuts here. These loop cuts will help us to make that topology even when it will get subdivided. So in this way you can create this kind of models. So thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial then hit that like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye. So next video, take care.